Well, we got the saw wheel back from the Amish saw doctor guy. He relieved tension, added tension, I don't know. Did something with some tension. He wrote it down on the receipt. Everything's back on. Got the blade guide set. Before I was keeping a little pressure on the well, that side was pushing in. I had it pushing in before. Now I got just a very fine, maybe an 1/8 inch on either side gap. I think I don't have any wood ready to cut, but I think I'm just going to start it, get it turning up at speed, and just see what it looks like.
Oh, you didn't bring a wrench, did you?
Oh, I got something. We gotta go around. This diviler went past finger tight.
He didn't sharpen the blades for you, did he?
He did not.
That fucker.
Come on.
What about your wrench right here? The pair of pliers.
Yep, that's, see, I put them away. They weren't just laying on the ground where I normally keep them. So I'm over there looking at the dirt.
He's out by them.
Like, I know right where those go. Right over here by the batteries. I'm gonna take the battery nuts off.
Yeah.
I probably would have looked around for a while before I would have looked up.
I don't know if you want to knock that through or... Got her.
Well, I might as well go taste
Hey, there's that fucking old guy. I thought he had a sawmill too.
Might as well get the nut off and get that all
Ready to rumble. Well, it's funny how that fucking cable's so loose.
So I was reading another guy online. He's saying that this is supposed to be all one cable on this particular segment.
Really?
And not two separate cables. Supposed to have all one and just wind it around there a couple times. And then he said you'd be able to get that
On the
slop out of it. He said then you just use your tensioning rod and that would eliminate all the slop. Kind of makes a lot of sense. And I'm wondering if this is just what Buddy had. You know,
That's probably what he did. Or
the
he
farmer
didn't know.
that chopped it off and
Yeah, he might not have known either,
Yeah,
or he
exactly.
just fixed what he did. Zippity doo dah.
Yeah, I guess.
Let's make sure we put it on that the teeth are facing the right way.
Trick. Don't even know to start it up. You go, motherfucker! This thing's really cutting bad. That was getting terrible.
It was like I was trying to drill something. I go, fuck, you're supposed to have the drill going clockwise, not counterclockwise.
He was not impressed with the stop sign either.
No?
He was I'm right around. Like, no kidding.
Let's go towards you.
Here. Let's see. So this would be, this side would face the road.
This side's facing the right. Turning this way.
That one of us is thinking. Yeah, I made it pretty far with cleaning up after we made the box.
Okay, I'll set it down. Spin it.
Probably do the same, this is the same thing, I'll just go up there, you know, well, I'll help you get it up there, I can ready to roll it down.
Yeah. Give it a second.
Yep. Yeah, I can get it from here now. Get the head of my jacket. Buy a cigar. Yeah, you might as well get that stuff on your side. Alright.
I got the bottom of the blade.
Use the back, save the knees.
Oh boy. Come on down. Right there.
Oh, good. I was running out of down. That was as down as I was getting.
Yeah. So now we got to. It's got to go up and back towards you. Right there. Okay. And right there. Right there.
Look at that.
And your beauty. So that's before we tighten everything. It is right. But yep.
Yep. No, it ain't.
No, it ain't. You gotta love it.
It happens. Good thing it worked. Now they're going to tighten it up and call it a day.
That's why I go, I better check this thing. A little bit more?
Yep. Come on.
Okay, hold on. Let's see if I get my fingers in there.
Alright, hold on. Let me hike my pants up real quick. Get more down out of me. I didn't fucking grab low enough the first time around.
Sure, you have all kind of people going, your fucking head is sitting on his fucking teeth. Say again, where the fuck were you? Alrighty.
I'm sure that Amish guy just rolled around on his teeth.
Okay, spin it this way. And I'm liking it right there.
It happens.
You know, we were just testing.
Yeah. Making sure everybody else, folks on the other end of the camera, can see if they knew.
Yeah.
Type of deal.
What the fuck? Boy, you got lucky with this fucking wrench.
Here, I can get her. Wrestle it on these flats, that's not too nice. Not that one. Oil on it will help.
Little dab will do ya. She'll slip right on there.
There, spray a little up here. Walk around in it for safety.
Oh, look at that.
Makes a difference. Fuck that off. Yep, torque to spec.
Beautiful. I seen the wrench. It went right to frickin' 180.
As soon as you feel that muscle in your back pull, that's the spot.
Yeah.
Hey, I don't even know what they make a wrench like that for.